Hello, friends. I see you are moving along, and this is wonderful. You are here because you have successfully completed all of the exercises without fatigue and to proper function before making it here. So wonderful. And as I mentioned before, if there's one exercise each series, put that aside so we can come back to it. But for now, let's get started. So today we are going to use a prop like our knuckle, okay? Or if you have a bottle of wine, grab a cork from it, okay? Something along those lines. If you have something that's that size that's not going to damage your teeth, you could use that. I'm just going to show you the knuckle because that is what we all have. So the first exercise we're going to do is we are going to bite on our knuckle, okay? And then what's going to happen is we're going to make some sounds, making the tongue go to the spot. Okay, the sounds are ta, da, na, la. Okay, so what's going to happen is the prop is going to prevent our jaw from assisting. Only our tongue is going to be able to move in order to make these sounds. So we're going to say each syllable 3 times, and then we're going to repeat it 10 times. So I'll go through 2 rounds with you. Yeah. Ta, ta, ta. Da, da, da. Na, na, na. La, la, la. Okay. Ta, I'm going to move my knuckle to the side just so you can see a little bit better, but you're going to go to the middle. Ta, ta, ta. Da, da, da. Na, na, na. La, la, la. So you see how the tongue is not coming out through the front, just working its way up, up, up. Okay. Next, we are going to grab our orthodontic band and or our raisin. I find Cheerios break down too fast. Raisins are really good for this. Again, a chewed up piece of gum, right? You can use that, it's sticky. And this one we're going to put on the middle of our tongue. Okay? And then, like the elastic that went to the tip, instead we're going to get the middle of the tongue up and we're going to slowly release the tip. So only the middle of the tongue is up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my tongue once I'm holding this in place so you can see where the tip of my tongue is. Up. So you can put your tongue to the spot, push the whole thing up in order to get it in place. Okay. And then what we're going to work on is releasing the tip. Okay. So I moved it around a whole bunch of times there, just so you could see what I was doing. But you're going to be holding the elastic or raisin up to the palate using the middle of our tongue, not the tip. Okay. So the way that I like to do it starting off for people is really put the whole tongue up there first. And then kind of push the tip of the tongue outwards in order to release it from the spot. But then we really focus on releasing it without pushing the teeth forward. Okay. I want you to be able to hold the elastic up there for 30 seconds, but you can start with 5-second intervals or 10-second intervals till you find it too challenging. And then you take it off, take a swallow, and move on. Okay. But the 30 seconds in a row, that's our goal. Okay. Next is the upper lip stretch. So we're going to hold our upper lip with our index and thumb like this. And we're just going to pull it down and out. Okay, I'm going to just show you from one side, down and out. Okay, down and out. And you're going to do that for about 20 seconds. Then you can dry off your fingers and repeat it again. But you can also, if you can do that and it doesn't hurt, I want you to scrunch your nose. So pull down and out, scrunch your nose while you're pulling down and out. Okay? Not very flattering, but it doesn't matter. No one has to watch you do this. Okay? So pulling your lips down and out, and then adding a scrunch. So 5 times, 20 seconds each. You can do not 2 30-second ones. You can do like 3 30-second ones, but you're looking for about 100 seconds in total. okay, to be pulling down and out. Next is a bit of a breathing exercise. It's going to work at the back of our mouth, opening that up. Okay. So we take a smile. You don't want to see your bottom teeth. So smile. And then we take a breath in, like cooling air. And we're doing it through our mouth this time. Okay. So imagine you took a sip of something hot and you're like, right? It's like, this is very hot. And then once you suck the air in through the mouth, then you're going to pucker your lips out and now you want to blow on that soup. Okay. Because it just burned you. You're like, okay. So you can see what that looks like in the back of the mouth. Oh, all right, or maybe you can. Where's my lighting? Okay, it's pulling your tongue down and it's opening the back of your throat up. Okay, so we want a big, and you feel the cold air, but then you blow that cold air now onto that hot soup as long of an exhale as possible. Okay, do that one 5 times. Actually, do that one 10 times. I really like that one for snoring. I'm gonna update this too here. I don't know where my notes went though. Okay. And then the last one, that one elastic for 30 minutes. Okay. It's the elastic on the tip of the tongue still. It's a 30-minute exercise that we're continuing on from this time to next time. Okay. So do those exercises minimum twice a day, minimum 7 days. If you need a little bit more time, do a little bit more time. And I look forward to seeing you live in our group.